This is the MAXXHEAT heat gun. You can see it here. It is a nice looking heat gun. I like the form factor to it. So it has this large push button in the back to turn it on and off, and then it's got 3 different temperature settings that you can use for this if you want the different temperature. And then you can also set it like this, so you can actually set it down on a table or have it just kind of stationary, or just use it to kind of point straight out. That's actually a really nice thing with this heat gun. It can be used kind of as like a craft gun. And here I am measuring the temperature. I'm getting in this high 300s. I know it gets hotter than that, but that's all I could measure because I can't really get exactly where the heat coils are. But here is a clip of me using it. So I'm doing a craft where I'm using PVC and I need to shape it to some certain sizes. And so you can see this is kind of a time lapse of me getting on all sides and heating it up. And it does take some time and patience because I don't want to get it too hot too fast, but I was able to get it to be pliable. And you can see here I'm able to bend it. I've essentially kind of softened the PVC to the level I need it to be, and so I'll just hold this here to get the size and shape I want with the PVC, and the heat gun worked really well for that. And here is the final result after it has hardened. The heat gun comes in a box and it comes in this case, so it's nice that it comes in its own carrying case. And in the carrying case you'll see that there's kind of like a putty knife, and there's a bunch of tools. You have the manual as well. So I have not looked at the manual, but I'm sure it will tell you how to turn it on and things like that. You've got different little scrapers and things to hold things in place if you need to use those specific tools that are used for a heat gun. It has this hook if you need to hang it up. And then again, it's really nice that you can twist it like this. You can set it down on a table, or you can just hold it out straight. I did receive this for free to do this review. I really like this heat gun. It is a really cool heat gun. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.